Hello beautiful people, I'm back on the allotment. I just came to check to see how my things are getting on. It's been a very rainy week this week so far. As you can see behind me, the skies are grey. Right, so basically the last time I was there, I was checking on my peppers. I was hoping that it was going to get a little bit more ripen over the time that I've left them here. They don't seem to be getting any more riper, so I'm going to be picking the rest of them, and I think I'll just have them green. Also, I've got a very nice Romanesco cauliflower that's ready, so I'm really looking forward to cutting that and showing that to you guys as well. And yeah, and also my garlic. I wanted to see how well the germination had taken off, because I hadn't been back here literally since I did that video. When I'd come back, obviously, I think I came back 2 or 3 days afterwards, but they weren't coming up yet, obviously. So, but today I'm going to show you how well the germination have done on them. And yeah, it's just a little catch up on the allotment, you know what I'm saying, guys? So yeah, bless up to everybody. And I also want to say thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you to the returning viewers. Thank you anybody who's watching the videos. It's well appreciated, guys. I'm hoping that, you know, you're learning something, or at least you are entertained. All right, guys, so let me show you what I've got going. All right, guys, we're going to start off with the peppers today. As you can see, if anything, they're starting to kind of, you know, go a bit brown. They're not really getting any, you know, riper. And yeah, I've got some nice peppers on here, so I don't really want to waste them. And peppers can be used green as well as, you know, ripened red. So yeah, I think I'm just going to cut them today. Just let them fall on the floor. I'll pick them up because I've only got the one hand today, guys. So I'm just going to go around picking all the green peppers. That can be focused in, but yeah. Yeah, so these guys was grown in July, I believe. So I think for the future, I'll need to grow these guys a little bit earlier than July. And hopefully I can get a nice harvest out of them. Just literally just cutting them off, and then I'll just come back and pick them up. There's no point leaving any on there, because I don't believe it will ripen. So those were the banana peppers, and some of them got really big still. And obviously, I think the change of weather prevented the tree from, you know, truly working the rest. Right, so as the banana pepper's done, the chili pepper trees not looking too good, but we can still pick a few more. What we see that's ready. And yeah, I'll just simply come back. I'll pick them up, show you the harvest, you know, when I done pick them up. So let me just do that now. Just kind of put them all to one side. That's what I got so far. Still a few more. I mean, look at the size of this pepper. I think that's quite impressive still. The pepper don't like cold weather. We're now entering the cold spell. So I just believe I just have to put an end to this experiment, because I believe I'll lose the actual peppers if I keep them on the tree. I think that's about it. You can see the tree was still trying to produce more peppers, but yeah, due to the lack of heat or, you know, warmth, I had to cut it short. A few more chilies here. See these guys. And don't get me wrong, guys, the green ones are good too. Equal amount of heat, you know. Right, so now I'm gonna move you guys on to my garlic here, because you know, just wanted you like to see the germination of my garlic. Well, this was the bed, and that's how they've come up so far. I'll put the date on the exact time I planted them, so you could see the progress of that from the date they were planted. But I've got a video on me doing that too, so you can also check the video out. But yeah, I believe the germination is almost 100%, literally. You know, can't complain with that. They're still fairly small and fairly young, but that gives them a chance to really root in. So when the winter come, the frost or the cold weather come, they'll be able to withstand it. So I'm quite, you know, so far, so good. I'm happy with the germination with the garlic. And like I said, you know, I haven't watered since I put these guys in, since that first watering, because we've had a lot of rain recently. And I believe that may have helped with what we're seeing here too. Alright. And finally, I just want to take you over to this Romanesco cauliflower. So, you know, they're all literally starting to flower now. But some of them, you know, you can see like this one hasn't even started. This one has got a little one over there. But this is the one I want you to see. I mean, check this out. Wow. Really, really impressed with this one, guys. Give you a little close up. Really, really impressed. So I think I'll be taking this one home today and maybe even try it in a stir fry later. What do you think? Yes, man. So guys, so I just wanted to just give you a quick update on the allotment and like what I've got going so far. Maybe I can give you a little extra peek on my Savoy cabbages, you know. These are the ones I believe that I did plant them too close. Literally too close. So they're trying a thing, but I don't think I'll get much of a big kind of head out of them. You know? Yeah, they're doing really well. Really, really well. And also my sweet plants next to them. Yeah, I'm looking forward to these guys next year. And I think if they do really well, I'm definitely going to try them again. You know, really, really well, guys. Yeah, so, you know, on that note, guys, I usually say, live well, and together we grow. Bless.